Hello, today we are presenting on behalf of Group 44. The company we have been assigned is Whitbread, which is a UK-based organisation that has several chains in the service industry such as Costa Coffee and Premier Inn.
In our presentation, we hope to explore the business strategy, the HRM strategy and HRM practices of Whitbread and discuss how these are aligned to the customer heartbeat to achieve the Whitbread way.
Having reviewed McManus' definition of business strategy, we believe that Whitbread's strategy manifests itself with a focus on profitable growth. Whitbread has recently announced a new corporate strategy which specialises in coffee retailing and the hotel business. The new strategy features three main elements, the first of which is expand and innovate the core UK business. Secondly, focus on the strengths and grow internationally. And thirdly, build capability and infrastructure to support long-term growth. The focus of this reviewed strategy is to remain profitable, retain competitive advantage, and respond to the evolving needs of the customer. Whitbread have applied this reviewed strategy through the implication of outsourcing and investment. Outsourcing has made capital available for investment by reducing costs in other areas such as human resources, payroll, accounting and finance. Whitbread strive to invest in areas that will provide a high return on investment. For example, they've withdrawn from unprofitable markets and instead focused on sustainable markets such as Germany and the Middle East. From the start, the business has been based on the importance of the customer and providing for the needs, and this remains the centre of the focus for Whitbread with their customer heartbeat. The company has a key focus on innovation and are continuing to improve the customer experience, for example through the introduction of Costa Collect.
So with that, we will now explore the resource-based HR strategy of winning teams. The two main HR strategy approaches that we believe Whitbread have adopted to achieve winning teams are high performance and high commitment. Whitbread achieve these high-performing teams through the recruitment and training of the best people who will make everyday experiences special for their millions of customers. This is implemented through their 5-year plan and employment of a young workforce. Through the development of their training programs, Whitbread can upskill their employees, as this then results in more efficiency and productivity. Michael Beer identified 4 components for achieving high commitment. The first approach is career ladders. Whitbread has an equal opportunity policy which ensures the opportunity for promotion is open to everybody. Next up is the reduction of hierarchies. HR practitioner Louise Smalley has used innovation to introduce technology through iPads to reduce middle management. The next one is the reliance on team structure. Whitbread's recruitment process includes tools such as the culture fit quiz, a rigorous application process and a need to show whether your way matches the Whitbread way. The final approach is the abandonment of potentially rigid job descriptions. Flexibility is of huge importance as Whitbread stress the opportunity of being able to move laterally across all their brands.
So, as just has been seen, the HR strategy is made up of internally consistent bundles of HR practices. We found that Whitbread adopt 4 main practices when implementing their HR strategy of winning teams. The first of these is resourcing. Whitbread have developed a very strategic approach to resourcing. An example of this would be their WISE initiative, which is aimed at introducing young and unskilled people into the workforce. This enables Whitbread to access new talent and also build a future workforce. Second is learning and development, which is a major focus of Whitbread. They have a number of programs, one of which is the Shooting Stars program. This focuses on supporting the progress of high potential team managers and members. Performance management in Whitbread is measured through the win card system, which is essentially a scorecard which reflects the organisation's ability to meet its expectations. They've also developed a leadership succession initiative, which is aimed at encouraging managers to push beyond their targets. And finally, employee relations. This is achieved through the Good Together programme, which aims to deepen corporate responsibility. And they also have a Your Say survey, which gives employees the opportunity to provide feedback to the firm.
So now, having explored the HR and business strategy and the HR practices of Whitbread, we can now see how they are aligned towards a common focus, and that is customer heartbeat. It is clear that a best fit approach has been taken by Whitbread, in that there is vertical integration and alignment between the organisation's business and HR strategies. So this chart summarises that point, just how the strategies are interdependent on one another and the practices are implemented in order to achieve these strategic goals. So in conclusion, it has been submitted in this presentation that Whitbread have taken a contingency perspective when approaching their strategies. They've ensured that their organisation's HR policies are consistent with all other aspects of the organisation, and we have shown that they have continued to adopt their HR strategy to reflect the changing economic circumstances that the organisation faces.